Hey, good morning, party people. We are getting ready to start our journals for Monday. So, if you're part of the white group, that means you are in the right spot. So, let's go ahead and get started for today, y'all. So, today's journal is about landmarks. So, take a look at this page and all the different landmarks that we have on it. Landmarks are usually giant statues, buildings, different things that we use and know that are very popular. So we might use these to get around. So we might know exactly how to get to the Statue of Liberty because maybe people know exactly how to get there. Or the point is that these are really big pieces of art or our history that people use or people go to visit often. With that said, let's go ahead and get started today. So green is group. So what group or category would we put a landmark in? So what does it have to do with? What do these have to do with? We know that we might have to travel to get to them. But what do they have to do with? So go ahead and answer that one and we'll move on to blue. So blue is do. Well, what would we do with these? So if you were to show up to the Mount Rushmore, to the Statue of Liberty, what would you do with those? Think about that as you guys answer for blue. And now our next one is I. I is what does it look like? So what do these look like? So what size would you say all of these are? Are these big monuments? Are they small monuments? What shape do you see out of these? We have the pyramids that are a certain type of shape, but we also have all kinds of different shapes throughout as well. And then we need to know, what colors do you see? So what color is the Statue of Liberty, or what color is the Taj Mahal up here? Or what color are our landmarks that are made out of rock? Speaking of, let's go ahead and move on to our next one, which is wood. And what is it made of? So what are these made of? What are some of these made of? We know this is carved into the side of a mountain. So what is a mountain made of? Or we know that these buildings are very old. So maybe what were those made of back in the day? Go ahead and answer for wood. All right, guys, next is pink, and pink is parts. So what parts of the monuments do we have here? So what parts do we have? So how do we get there? Some of these places, like these buildings, how do we get inside if we're allowed inside? So think about that as you guys answer for parts. Next is where. So where would we find these at? Where would we find some of these, especially these two down here? Are they located in our country? Are they outside of the United States? Would you have to go, would you have to get into a plane to go find them? Think about that as you guys answer for monuments, or for landmark, for white. And our last one today, guys, is orange, and orange is what else? So what else do you guys know about a landmark? So what other landmarks do you know of? Is there another big building or a big statue or anything that you guys can think of that might be a landmark? Where's another place that you think a landmark might be? So look at these landmarks. Is there anything else you guys know about these? Like maybe these people right here, who are these people? So think about that as you guys answer for orange, and make sure you guys celebrate that you guys got another journal done for this week. It is our first one, so make sure you guys are looking out for the rest of our week for our journals, and make sure you guys have a great day. Bye.